only to inaugurate this historic monument, which is refurbished, which is brought back to its original position, which was built some years back on 19th December 2021. आमचे Liberation of Goa.
Program set up.
Nah, this is tentative date given to him, and he has already said yes, but officially it is still not announced. But I am confident, and I am saying 100% confident, because I am also going to email to his office, to Prime Minister's office, and also going to send a letter telling him the importance of this monument, the importance. हो जो आमचो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगलाचो जो ही झेल आहा, हितून फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल ऑफ गोंयचे नासले. पयली इंडियेचे फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल, इंडियाज फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल, दॅट इज इंडिपेंडन्स ऑफ इंडिया. जे फ्रीडम फायटर्स झगडटाले ते ह्या झेलीन तेंका ट्रान्सफर ऑफ प्रिझनर्स म्हणून हिंगा हाडून दवरताले, फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश एम्पायर टू पोर्चुगीज एम्पायर. सो हिंगासर खूबशे स्वतंत्र सैनिक, फ्रीडम फायटर्स हिंगासर ह्या जेलीन आसले. India's freedom struggle. That is why Prime Minister is going to come to inaugurate this very important historic monument of India. I am calling it a historic monument of India. हाडून त्याची तेका परत मरामत करून तो घोट केला आणि खंयच्याच 5 स्टार हॉटेलाक दिवना.